5 seconds. Start. Can celebratory actions that often result in death or lifelong injuries really be described as such? Question mark. Be it Eid, New Year's Eve, a wedding or Independence Day celebratory configure has often turned a joyous event into an occasion of distress all over the country. Full stop. At least 23 people had been similarly wounded on the eve of Eid in May. Full stop. Earlier, at the beginning of this year, an 11-year-old boy died while 18 others, including women and children, were wounded in deadly aerial firing. Full stop. Such habits reflect a serious lack of concern for the implication of one's reactions for others. Full stop. Paragraph. In fact, the state has done virtually nothing to curb the trend and has disregarded the illegal possession or open display of weapons. Full stop. Despite a province wide ban on the display of arms and a codified procedure for the possession of weapons by common citizens, there appears to be no management of the license awarding process by the authorities in Sindh. Full stop. Though the law only allows for the possession of a restricted category of arms, weapons of all shapes and sizes are openly brandished about by civilians and private security personnel without fear of consequences. Full stop. Rather than taking cosmetic measures such as the imposition of Section 144, the authorities should stop the issuance of counterfeit weapons licenses and work towards identifying illegal arms dealers and those who buy their wear in order to reduce the free flow of weapons in Karachi and other parts of the country. Full stop. It is about time the authorities seriously tackled this challenge. Celebration cannot be a convenient excuse for dangerous and senseless aerial firing. Full stop. Paragraph. A school teacher used to take a short nap every afternoon. Full stop. When his pupils asked him why he did so, he said that he went to dreamland to meet ancient sages. Full stop. One extremely hot day, some of the pupils fell asleep in the afternoon. Full stop. When the school teacher chided them, they said, "We went to meet the sages in dreamland." Full stop. What did they say? Question mark. Demanded the teacher. Full stop. We asked them if a school teacher came there every afternoon, but they said they had been no such person. Full stop.